Brake fluid maintenance is a safety procedure you should be selling. We'll tell you why next. If you read deeper into the service information and owner's manual, OEM engineers say brake fluid is an item that should be routinely inspected and replaced if contaminated. Visual inspection alone can be extremely misleading. Since 2008, almost every vehicle has come with some form of ABS and includes a hydraulic control module mounted under the hood or on a frame rail. This unit needs fresh brake fluid to operate and protect valves and passages from corrosion. Some new ABS modules with electronic brake proportioning may require 50 to 60 psi to bleed or flush the system, so make sure your equipment is up to the task. This will help make the job both efficient and profitable. Inside the modulator, there might be as much as 5 ounces of dirty fluid after flushing. The only sure way to flush this fluid is to use a scan tool to actuate the valves in the hydraulic control unit. Boiling point testing was one of the first methods to determine the condition of the brake fluid and indicate how much moisture the brake fluid had absorbed. But it can't test the condition of the additive package that helps control corrosion in the brake system. Testing the pH of the brake fluid can be performed with a test strip, which can be used to justify brake fluid services to the customer. I'm Mary DellaValle reporting from the Tire Review Continental Tire Studio at Babcox Media. Thank you for watching.